Welcome everyone, hello my dears, happy Valentine's Day. It's Julie Fior with new hairstyle tutorial and in such a romantic look and with romantic mood. Today I will show you how to do this super easy and fast 1950s page boy hairstyle, but with the little new twist here, and hope your day today will be special and full of happiness, love, romantic, flowers, chocolates, hearts, and of course positive emotions. Love you, dears. Let's start! So for this hairstyle I used a bobby pin setting, and I will add a link to the video where I'm showing how I'm doing this. Overnight on their hair after washing. Firstly, I'm always brushing my hair with head down. I don't know if it's right to say like that. Why I'm doing this? I receive a lot of questions about this because it's giving you volume, and plus it's very good brushing their under hair, you know. So this is my style, and I'm doing this. Plus I'm adding a little bit hairspray on the roots for the volume too. After this I'm doing a side parting and brushing my hair with a big brush firstly, and after with a teasing brush, because with teasing brush more easier to make a shape. As you see, very fast hair laying as it's necessary actually. If no, I'm helping with my hand to make the ends of the hair under. Then one side I'm fixing with the hairspray and the bobby pin behind my ear, and the other side, like in the classic page boy, I don't need to do nothing after this, but in this type with a little new new twist, I'm adding two bobby pins to fix their hair as well in this other side. After this, I'm covering everything with hairspray and helping with their spray can to make a shape more beautiful, the wave more beautiful. And you can use this secret too. And for my Valentine's looks, I'm adding a red lipstick, of course, a dress and with the hearts, accessories, and I'm ready to go. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow me and click like. Wait in your comments, dears. Bye.